Hi, this is Matt Demetrician of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending May 7th of 2021. Markets trended sideways for much of the week before a strong day on Friday led to gains for most major indices. The S&P 500 was up 1.2%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 2.7%. The Russell 2000 index lifted a more modest 0.2%. Conversely, the NASDAQ composite, which is composed of more growth stocks, fell by 1.5% in a week where value stocks led the way. Economically sensitive stocks were the better performers. In particular, energy, which had been down for much of the past month, gained nearly 9%. The returns in energy were followed by strong results in materials, financials, and industrials. Conversely, consumer discretionary, utilities, real estate, and technology sectors were all down on the week. The excitement during the week came on Friday when the Bureau of Labor Statistics announced April's job data. In total, 266,000 jobs were added during the month. This fell well short of expectations which were near 1 million new jobs. Despite the negative surprise, the market shrugged off the weak employment data to finish positive on Friday. In other news, the ISM manufacturing data pointed to continued strong pace of industrial activity in April, although it did decelerate from the month of March. The Bank of England mirrored the Fed's verbiage, stating that it does not intend to raise rates until there is clear evidence of an economic rebound. Lastly, in a Federal Reserve report on financial stability, Fed Governor Lael Brainerd warned that a combination of stretched equity valuations and high levels of corporate indebtedness bear watching. On the volatility front, the CBOE Volatility Index, or VIX, fell to a reading of 17. The VIX has been above 20 for much of the past year. On Friday alone, the VIX declined by over 9%. The bond market finished slightly higher as yields fell slightly. The 2-year Treasury yield was down 1 basis point, while the 10-year Treasury yield fell 5 basis points to close at a yield just below 1.6%. In other markets, the dollar continued its downward trend. The dollar had been at a reading above 93 going into April and has been decelerating ever since. Crude oil extended higher, gaining 2.2% to finish near $65 a barrel. Lastly, having been range-bound for much of the past few months, gold got a bid and was up 3.9%. This marked the biggest weekly increase since the month of November. That concludes the week in review for the week ending May 7th of 2021. Thanks. Stay safe and enjoy your week.